Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So today I'm here again with another wonderful video. How I use pumpkin leaves to boost egg production. So here are some benefits of pumpkin leaf to our birds. Number one benefit is that it boosts immune system of our birds, which means our birds will not be sick. They will be strong. When their immune system is very high, all what you expect, your birds are going to perform well. Number two benefit is that it relieves them from stress. It also boosts the weight and the size of eggs. So, pumpkin leaves can bring your egg production very fast. Very fast. When your birds drop in production and you have the pumpkin leaves, you can chop it. Just look at the procedure that we are. So the first thing you can do is to get your pumpkin leaves. I believe pumpkin leaves is everywhere. You can get it everywhere, and to some, you can even plant it in your own house. Get your pumpkin leaf and repair it very well. You have to wash it and remove all the dust. This is this is what you can get. Not until you buy from the market. If you don't have it, you may get it from your neighborhood. You may even plant it. You wash it very well. You chop the leaves. So you can use a blender. You can use a blender and you can even pound it. So I'm going to pound the leaves. So I'm done pounding. It's very easy to pound. Pumpkin leaves are not strong like mango leaves. Now I'm going to add 20 liters of water. and I use a handful of pumpkin leaves. Stir it very well before you sieve, and then I'm going to sieve it now. This is our pumpkin leaves juice. So after sieving, you are not going to throw away the leaves. You are going to keep the leaves and give it to them while they drink the juice. So this is what I do first thing in the morning. After giving them the juice, I'll now continue with fresh water until the next day in the morning. So these leaves, I'm going to give it to them. I'm not going to throw away the leaves. I'm going to give them the feed on the leaves while they drink the juice. So we are going to serve them. We are going to serve them the pumpkin leaves. They so much love it. And now we are going to serve them the juice. So this is what I use to boost my egg production. So they've just started laying in the morning. They've just started laying. And these are the eggs that they've started laying this morning. So, if you are experiencing drop in production and you have pumpkin leaves, you can try pumpkin leaves and then you will see the magic. And this is what I do in a week. I give 3 times in a week, 3 days in a week. I give in the morning, I continue with fresh water until the next morning. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and join the great family.